Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roux for macaroni and cheese. First, gather your ingredients: equal parts butter and all-purpose flour. You'll also need a heavy-bottomed saucepan and a whisk. The key to a perfect roux is constant stirring and precise cooking time. This foundational step ensures your cheese sauce will be wonderfully smooth and rich. Let's talk about the essential ingredients and their proportions. For a standard batch of macaroni and cheese, you'll typically use 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This 1-to-1 ratio is crucial for achieving the right consistency. Melt the butter completely in your saucepan over medium-low heat, ensuring it doesn't brown. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more cooking guides. And speaking of keeping things clean, after you've enjoyed your delicious mac and cheese, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the crumbs. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your butter is melted, it's time to add the flour. Gradually whisk the flour into the melted butter, creating a smooth paste. Continue whisking constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes. This cooking process removes the raw flour taste. For macaroni and cheese, we aim for a white roux, which is light in color and provides a delicate base for your cheese sauce. Now for the magic. Slowly pour in cold milk, about 2 cups, while continuously whisking the roux. The cold milk helps prevent lumps. Keep whisking over medium heat until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. Once thickened, remove the pan from the heat and stir in your shredded cheese until it's completely melted and smooth. Your delicious cheese sauce is ready.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.